Mace is back in this bitch, and today we are going to get right into making this dog shit. So, quick news about the whole thing. I might reverse the whole thing so that I can see what I'm doing actually. Dun, 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 dun. Plug the whole thing. I will set the whole thing up on the streaming thingy. Right, real quick, so that we can see what I'm doing. Both on the floor and here. So I work further, but this way I will be able to see the whole thing, hopefully, and it is like acceptable quality as well. So, quick intro. This is an oil fuel drum, let's call it. It's just a bucket, whatever, or like a little can that I have made from 1mm steel. I have cut it to strip, one circumferential strip, this, and a smaller flat disc. I have welded it. As you can see, it is not the best weld job, but it have held against the fuel. It didn't leak. The problem with it is that I have painted it with this black paint that I didn't think that it will come off, but it turns out that it is oil based, so it basically the diesel basically dissolved it, so I will have to wipe it out as well. And we have two problems. Welcome to the stream. We have two problems initially, that the top is not closed and that we do not have a hole on the bottom. The hole on the bottom will be needed so that the oil pump or the fuel pump will be able to suck and be able to reliably provide us with fuel. On the top we will add a rim, just like with the oil burner, and onto the top we will add three things, currently two, one will be only a pipe inside, so that the whole thing can suck the air, because as the fuel drains, it would create either a vacuum that would slow down the pumping action, but we do not want that, so we add in a venting hole into the top, and that will basically drain. As the fuel drains, the venting will go into the chamber, filling it up, equalizing out the pressure. And the other part will be that from the bottom we suck the fuel into the pump, and the pump, to basically control it, we have a bypass line if we want to close the fuel tap at the oil gun. We can do that, but then the bypass line, so that the pump wouldn't like shit itself, so that it can provide the bypass line back the fuel to the tank itself, we will have to add another port for that. That would be drilled through the hole, and that would be led inside to the inner chamber with a tube that is almost as high as the whole I don't know what is this, the whole thing, whole circumference, because we do not want to just splash it in, because that would create that will create us foaming and agitation with air that will fuck the pump, in that sense that it will suck transitional fuel, which won't be just liquid but gaseous as well. That creates one cavity and uncertain amount of fuel pumping, which is not good. So let's get right into this. It's not going to be the most interesting thing, because for now I will just be wiping the thing out, then I will set it on to fire, because why not? Yes, this Hammerite matte black, which is like fire resistant, it didn't really hold against this diesel. I mean, I suppose because it is oil based, that's why it doesn't usually come off the surface. Unfortunately, in this case, it fully dissolved. I mean, the diesel fully dissolved the whole thing. As you can see, it just is not basically. Though at least the good thing about diesel and all this stuff is that it is pretty smelly, and it's lovely. too. I love the smell, but I know that these are the aromatics, which is not too healthy. Hello, welcome to the stream. I'm actually making this tank. For now I will just clean the whole thing out, then I will drill the hole, and then I will for now clean the tank, set it to fire so that the remainder of this diesel that I cannot wipe out fully will burn out, so that when I will weld the whole thing, then it will not blow up, but like ignite or some bullshit. I don't want that. I do not want that. So that basically, the good thing about, back to the point, the good thing about diesel is that it nicely prevents the whole surface from this corrosion, which is pretty good. The Hammerite held on pretty well and did a good job at starting the conservation of the surface, but the diesel basically didn't allow it, because this is like an AIDS to even fucking clean out, not to even let the water in. Yes. So I want to get back to streaming, because I have been losing all my fucking progress here in the first with the project as well, but it's through YouTube. I wanna step the game up so that I can get more views and more watch time, so that I can progress. I can have, oh hello, I am making the oil gun, or the oil burners fuel tank, which is now just a can, but if you stick for some time we can talk about it or whatever. I'm just going to clean the bottom as well. I'm going to set it on to fire. All right. The diesel is like it's a good solvent for this Hammerite, but it is not the best for the skin, I assume. Yeah. Alright, so we will need I don't know if this has any, it has actually. I will have to take this out, I don't want to burn it here. I will put this onto the ground here. I will take you out, don't worry. I'll take you out, baby. Take the whole. Oh, it wasn't even powered on. Well, at least good to know that I have plugged it into the wrong outlet. Or it wasn't even plugged in, so it will be there. I don't know if. How the fuck are we going to do this? I think I will put you here. I have the footage. I don't even need the fucking here. Close the door so keep the warmth inside. Just quick job. Quickly I'm going to insulate myself with some clothing. It's cold outside. Alright. Come on. What the fuck is this? What is this? Fucking hell, man, what is this? Bullshit. Fuck you. this a fucking joke? I can't like this bitch. Ah. Well, this is not a good thing. I think maybe. Ah. I can't fucking believe. Ah. No, I won't do this. I won't do this with this. I don't want this. Fucking risk my life here. What a fucking shit. What a fucking shit torch this is. What the fuck is this? I don't think. Come on, for fuck's sake. What is this? Is this a fucking joke? Where the fuck is the other one? This is a fucking joke. Oh, come on, for fuck's sake. Fuck me, man. Yeah. Why would it work? For fucking. Why were 76%? I'll come back with the fucking other one. Hopefully the thing doesn't blow up. can't even fucking find the thing. What an interesting fact, isn't it? Yeah, this sure will not work. This doesn't have enough heat. Yeah, sure, the torch would be fucking better, but guess what? The torch doesn't work, bitch. No, fuck this, I don't care. I do not give a flying fuck. I will fucking start doing the work. I don't care. This fucking bad piece of shit. What a garbage. Garbage. Hello. Just sucking cock here with this bullshit. Can't even light the thing because my torch doesn't work. Well, it's to rather fucking blow me up than than work. Yeah, right. And then fuck the whole thing as it is. So I'm going to set this up, right? So I'm thinking about the layout here for now. It is wise to consider things in like forward into the future in terms of measuring out things. I do not know. I have a big nail here which I can mark for now. I have like a measuring tape, very amateurish. So if we say we want to put the center into the 6 centimeter range, which is somewhere along here, which would be along here. In the future I will want to add a device that is called the leveling thing. Basically it does sense the level inside, which is like a level sensor after all. And that level sensor works in a way that it has 2 plates side by side, and you measure the conductance across them. So basically the plates, when the fuel is full, I mean the tank is full with fuel, there's 2 plates, and in between the plates there is fuel. And depending on how much fuel is there between the plates, there will be the conductance changing, because the air has a different conductance or like different dielectric capability than diesel. And as the capacitor, I think diesel is sinning better than air itself. So electrically, it's like a better insulator. So as the diesel drains or fuel drains, then the capacitance will go down. And basically we can sense that, but we will have to design this little tank here now with the layout so that the pipes go in. So if I put the exact location, let's say, I would say here, I can put the back pipe here. I can, let's say I can put the 2 plates here, so one would be like so next to the other one would be like so. Doesn't need to be too big. They can be far or further away from the central point, which is going to be the outlet. These are going to be the plates. Let's say this is going to be the return. Basically here the line would come down so that it doesn't splash. So this, and we need another tube here that will be the bubbler. Basically, it lets air back into the whole thing, so it doesn't like create a vacuum inside. So yeah, that's going to be done. I will drill a hole here. I will even mark it. I think this is good enough. I don't need too precise measuring here. I need this big nail. Maybe the nail is not the best device to do this. I think this will do, because it whoops the inner part, which is not the best. It got pretty centered though. I'm so good. No, of course not. Where are the tools? Getting the drill. If I hello, what up? I'm Mason. I'm working on the fuel metering system, which is just, I mean, now the fuel tank first of all, because I will have to pump diesel or fuel into the oil burner eventually, and to basically be able to do that, I will need a tank to pump it from. I've already made the base or the cap of the tank, but the top and the ports are missing, so I will have to still make that. Alright, so what I will do now is that I will put on my safety goggles, because safety first, guys. And then let's rock and roll into this bitch. Of course, I will also, I do not know, maybe I will do this on the ground, maybe it will spin this shit away, otherwise I will do this on the ground. Where is it visible? Here? Yeah, we can see it here. Hard to drill, by the way. Another fact, I think I will need to 8, whatever, let's drill it up to like 7 millimeters, and then I will be able to tell what I want, because first I will have to add the plumbing, or I mean the tube anyways. I probably don't even need the lubrication of this drilling, because the surface is wetted with diesel. Basically wipe it down, but that doesn't really get shit. Oopsie doopsie. Oh, you get stuck, you bitch. It rather pulls the fucking drill out than drills the whole whatever thing. Yeah, I mean, nothing works, just like always. Nothing works. Nothing wants to work. I will make it though. I will make it work, regardless of what it wants. It doesn't matter what I want, that matters. Alright, there are pretty good drills in this, which is a rare occasion, because I usually either de-sharpen them, I mean chip their nails. The nails, whatever you do, you get the point. I duel them out, so to speak. Yeah, it's not that centered as I remembered it to be, but it's Still not that bad. Right. Now I will need to make the pipe that will fit. Hello, I'm Stringer and I'm working on this shit. For now it's just a can that will be shaped and we'll cut the steel parts for it now. Basically making the whole thing. And nobody wants to say, right? Yeah, whatever. So, if I have the tools here, which I don't have, hopefully, I will need to find myself the good old steel plates, these, where the fuck are these? Or maybe I do have some left here, because I will not drill now. I will find these. There was this plate that I used constantly. Use this material for here it is. Some part of it. I use this good old Lada bottom piece, which is kind of a thin material, not fully 1mm thick. I'm going to flatten this shit out quick on the jaw, chucky. Flattening head. No, I think this will do. Oopsie doopsie. This is loud as fuck, by the way. Hammering the fuck out of this piece of. Let's say we have something usable here. I'm not going to put this device away. I will want to make like, let's call it like 3 centimeter pieces or like 4. I can cut them always down. And I cannot, I mean I can weld it back on, but it is relatively harder to add material to these thin sheets of steel than it is to basically do it. So yeah, it's always better to do this. What do we need? We need a tool that we can mark with. This is a pointing shit. I don't know, I never fucking find anything in here. I guess that's the cost of unorganizedness, or like disorganizedness as they say. So what the thing is, we need a ruler. Measure out like 5 centimeters of this shit. Let's see. I will cut it. Oh, great. Alright. This is somewhat straight. I will add a mark. Just like so as well. Using like a screw. Actually, I need like 22 millimeters or so for one. how much would they need? There will be one for the bottom and two for the top. So that's 3, so that's 6 point something, 60 millimeters. I'm better off it. Measuring from here. It's kind of shit to do this. Let's say 7 centimeters is enough. That would be around here. So we'll have to come back. This is why I didn't put the hammer away, because I felt that it will not be enough. It's never enough. It's never enough, man. Alright, go back. Yeah, this is one negative of the whole thing, that it would be better off to not, because I think I damaged it here. With the edge. Whatever, I think we can cut out a few. I will bring it to the big thingy. You will not be able to see that, because I don't want to carry the cover out all the time. Cut it with the big guy. Let's see. Alright, cut it here as well. Right, so now I'm back. Nothing wants to work. Right. You have to mark it out here as well. That is got to be pretty good. This side. I don't need the full length. So yeah, use the ruler. Hello. What's up? I am Mace Ringer, and I am making this fuel thingy. Fuel drum or oil canister, whatever, fuel tank for the whole thing. Now I want to make some pipes for it from steel. Then I will. 1, 2, 3. I guess I think it was 22. Let's go with 22. I will cut these strips down. Okay. It's not gonna be perfect. I will weld it with the MIG. If I can find the marking. For fuck's sake, I can't see it. Can't see it. Oh, here it is on the edge. Pretty consistent. So cutting down the steel so that I can make a tube out of it. But it probably would be better to cut this into tube segments so that I can, or maybe I make a long one out of the whole thing, and then I roll that into one uniform, and then I cut it two lengths, to three segments, three parts, and yeah, it fucking bobbed into the trash. God, fuck you. Very well, I guess. Where the fuck did you fall? Come on, man. Like, is this fucking serious? This. Oh, come on. This is fucking comical at this point, to be fucking frank. What the? This must be a fucking joke. If I cut the piece here, then where the fuck can it fall? It's supposed to be here. It's supposed to fucking be here. Where the fuck did it fall? What a bitch. Fucking hell. This fucking trash. Fuck. Comical, for fuck's sake. How long is this shit? 8, it's about 8 centimeters, just above. I'm just above that. How do we do this? Oh, hello, I have a piece. Oh, hehe. We will not do this. This is 2 millimeters thick. We will not fucking bend this at all anytime soon. We will not do that. Definitely not do that. Alright, so then what do? We will need a drill bit or something similar that we can bend this around. I think it was supposed to be like 6 millimeters in the inside. If we times 6 by, how the fuck is it? So 8 by 3, how much is 8 by 3? 24, so it's less than 8. So it's supposed to be like something around 6. I'm making the pipe for the oil tank, by the way. And I am just thinking about, I think I did this something, yeah, I think I did this, like so. I put the steel strip in here. First I will flatten the steel strip because it is a bit bent. It's hard to hammer it when it is bent, or harder. So I will flatten this out quick. Of course it doesn't want to. We'll pitch. Alright, so put this inside here. I will need a small hammer, and I will come here and somehow, maybe here, and with the mid, like this stem of the drill, I will hammer it in so that I make like a groove, so that we can flip it. We can bend this around this later on. have like a tool that we can bend it around. And I can even see this come into shape. I will it's a bit more hammering needed here. Alright, this is done. I will need a thicker, or I think at this point I usually do take like a rod or something like. And I've done this before. Find one rod. Well, the problem is usually that there's no such like a real diameter tubing or thing that I can hammer this onto, because the pipe doesn't fucking want to bend into like this small radius, but I can fold it if I think. Oh. I can roll the edge so that I can make like a pipe of it, if I can not buckle it and not hit my finger either. It's like a delicate dance. Switch sides. Annoying as fuck. Start to roll it. This tool is a bit like, how do you say this? Not like straight. It turns around. I think the rod is too small. Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm almost done with it. Doesn't want it. Doesn't want the truth. What a fucking shit comment. This is a pain in the ass, man. Alright, I have made this somewhat circular, though it is kind of shit. Kind of shitty. Oh, fucking dog water. I need to find a bigger pin, though this, I don't think this would. Maybe we can somehow manage to open it or hammer it in. Right, maybe. All right. And this is the problem with this shit, is this is too big. Too big. That's what she said. Smaller diameter than this. I mean, for starting, it will do. For starting, it will do. There is another rod with smaller diameter than this. Please, 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 please. Then it's too small, this is too big. Oh my god, nothing is nothing is perfect. Nothing is perfect. There are tons of rods here that are not the right size. Why would they? Why the fuck would they be? I might even need a nail or something. I do not know. Maybe I will use like a screwdriver or something. The screwdriver probably is not the best idea, or who knows? I want to see what size it is. Is it going to be too? Yes, too small again. We need smaller than this, but bigger than this. Is this? I suppose. Let's see.
Azt mondja, hogy mindenhol a villany.
Na itt vagyok.
De kint is.
Ott voltam előbb. Too small again. Never is perfect. Fuck's sake. This is going to be too good. Whatever, I don't care. It will be a bit over. Alright. Let's go weld this up. Or I'm really thinking about 8 mils, but then it will not be enough. I think I can make like 1.5 centimeters hollow, 2.5 centimeters. How long is this? 8. I can make like 3 centimeter pieces. I think it will be enough. Let's see. We'll weld this up right now. So I will want to weld this here. Nothing really wants it, does it? I have something that I can clean this shit out. I have a few of these nails to clean the bits out of it. Cleaning out nozzle, the nozzle. The nozzle is full with this debris. Great. Great. This sucks. See this? I think I do want to clamp it into the jig. Heavy here. Like this. We're going to touch it. Just want to just throw the fuck away anyway. Let's see. Maybe I should do this on the ground. Yeah, probably should. Sort of. Yeah. So I will continue this from the ground, if you don't mind. I'm going to go a bit further away. valamit. Máskülönben. Van. Fucking cool. Too much. Because there is no way device. Something to hold this shit with. Hello? What's up? What's going on? Welcome to the stream. Oh yes. Oh yes. Hell yes. It's hot as fuck. Then I will want to cut the circle like this to the top. I want to cut this down as well, so that I can put the ring around it or something. You know what? I will mark the circle with a piece of sheet. tube here. I have welded it sort of quickly. I will need to grind it down and make it totally leak free, because I can see the hole right now. So yeah, I will grind this down and then come back to that. Oh, oh. Alright. I thought I'm safe, but I'm not actually. I'm grinding down the tube. get in there. Yeah, this is the hard part because you will have to find the leaks on the welding. Because I do not have steel to use this. You pretty much make yourself this. Degrees. This is why the ugly welding. No CO2. Part out here. Just found some scraps. Compass. This piece of shit. Is it? Probably not. Do it here in front of you. So I have here the compass. I have drawn a circle. this will be, open it a bit more. Oh, fuck it. This will do. Let's give it like then, how much is this? 56 and a half, 57. Let's give it 10, 12. So that's 60. Let's give it up to 60 and 10. So this is going to be it. Hopefully. I think that this one might work. Maybe a bit bigger. Just like so. There's space here. Alright. Almost. Okay. We'll cut this with the big scissor. Be right back. What up? What's going on, guys? Welcome to the stream. Making a bit of mess here, cutting out this outside section. This is going to be the rim of the whole thing. Of course not. The 1mm still is hard to cut with the hand scissor. No, you can't really cut it with a regular table scissor. Can't say jack shit from this piece. Whatever. So what's up, man? How's the day going? Personally, I have worked quite I mean, I wouldn't say a lot. I went to school and that was it. Fortunately. Commuting is taking up a lot of time. But I guess that's the price if you live in the countryside and you wanna go to the best university in town. In the country, I guess. And this is a annoying piece of shit. Alright. These are always so annoying. It's always hard to cut. I mean, it's just life. It's hard to do anything, even nothing. That's the theme of my season now, that it's hard to do anything, but like, there's a quote that I like, a verse that I like, as the man says. Growth is painful, but so is decline, and so is plateau. So if you want like a pain-free life, then sorry, that's not it. This isn't it. Pain is just the price of existing, and it comes down whether through the pain of effort and sacrifice, or through just the pain of regret. But you will have to endure pain eventually, and which you choose is basically on you, or it's up to you. Actually, that's the thinking that the only problem is that you think that pain is the problem, but it's like a requisite, it's a signal that you're alive. And I can totally agree with that. This is like from Hormozy. E is the G. And everything comes down to like how you deal with life, I guess. I can like say that, yeah, sure. I have went through a lot of shit, and probably compared to most my age, I have went through a lot of shit, but we will see how this works out. We will have to see how it works out. Right. I mean, there's plenty of space, not on all sides, but I believe this will be enough for the thing. Right. So I'll put this on top. We have to make two parts actually. One where I just put the rim around, but I can do that from like, and this will be the top actually. So the top will sit on this, but there will be a rim around, like under it as well, so that we have a full thing. Alright. Now that this piece of garbage has cooled off, I will grind it down and then return to this piece here. Right. I will show myself as I'm grinding the thing there. for the right. I am back, hopefully. This shit is not it. No, not it. Whatever, this is like a little tubing that I have made shift made here. Probably will have to add some sealant or something to it. We have to flat or like hammer it out so that it is like concentric to the unit, so that I can weld it into the bottom of the tank. It's not going to be like a big tank, but it's going to be a proper tank. It's just going to be smaller than the average tank. Alright. Alright. It got to be better in terms of like concentricity. We have to still grind this dog shit down. I got shrapnel all over my fucking fingers. Yeah, we have to grind this down. Back to the grinding wheel. Although I suppose there is a hole here. I have to mark this. Need like a pen or some shit. I will Alright. Continuing the work. It's too hot. So I have him, he will fit into this hole that I will just cut now till it is cooling off here. So let's go. We'll need a drill. I don't know how big though. I do not know how big. I think this will do. Okay, let's now here. Alright. Let's see if the tube fits. Yes, there is even a bit of play here that I will be able to use to my advantage. Right. I will need this and I will need to do the other one. I will need to drill this one on multiple points. Right, the classic drilling it out. I like that the least. This is very, very painful. Whatever. Maybe I want to cut this into halves so that I will have two pieces, because 3 centimeters is basically nothing. If that only, yeah, that's basically nothing. Or is it enough? That's the good question. I have no fucking clue. I have no fucking clue. Honestly. What will we do now? Technically I could weld this up, though I do not want to. Or do we let it to 2 longer sections? That's the good question. I still have material to the last one. So I could technically make this longer, but then it would be a bit wasteful. Yeah, I'm just thinking about that. I have the tube here, and I will weld it into this piece of drum. One long and 2 shorter ones. Just for the for the other one like that as well. No, I will make it 2 pieces of this. I'll cut it into 2 halves. Yeah, I will want to cut it into 2 halves. I will grind it down and I will cut it into 2 halves. I will drill this hole out here, and then I will cut this into two halves. I will weld in. Yeah, I will do that right now. Put it on the ground. I think I have. Like so. And holding. Two little halves here. This is a lot of struggle for these two little pipes, isn't it? Alright, so back here. This will be the. Oh, I should have grinded this as well. Fuck me. Right. So then I'm not here. I'm going to go back. gonna deburr this. Sure. Then this will be put to the bottom, so I can weld this in right quick, right here, right now. Should I not do this? This is the question, that do I want to use so long pipe? I guess, well, I will make it 5 centimeters long, right? Who cares? Right, I'm so sosem need use a piece of magnet. Alright, I'm going to weld it. Is this visible? I guess it's show. Copyright for this online bullshit. I think I have. Did I fucking fuck? Let's put this up to 2.6 and not be fuck. Did I fuck that? So for the fucking tank. Fucking tank. I think the diesel is splashing. Oh, I know what, the magnet. Magnet is fucking arcing up because of the electromagnetic bullshit. Right, I have tagged it. Hopefully now it will not move. I'm going to cut this. Right. Maybe pretty doable. Not really doable. Put these things away. Yes, it's a lot better actually. Oh, fuck up. Finally. What the fuck? Come on, man. There is no ground in it. Yeah, the diesels have started to fucking burn. Because it did not want to burn outside it. Bitch. Fucking wood. No grounding. Fuck isn't this going to die itself? This diesel is piece of garbage. Besides the fucking thing. Gunk. And this is a fucking joke, isn't it? Fuck you. This is so fucking hard. Yeah, I don't want to buy everything from the inside. I don't want to burn myself. I do not know if this will go on. Well, nonetheless, this shit is done. Alright, this shit is done. Eh. Oh. Right. Fucking glue. This fucking cocksucking here, man. Inhaled a lot of diesel fumes as well. Very bad. I think I will drop off now. I think that's it for today. I have cut the and yeah, this is what we got in 2 hours worth of time. Very well. We drilled a hole, made this pipe, welded it onto the bottom. Just doesn't sound too much, and actually it isn't. But yeah, it would be so much easier if we have fucking tools like pipes this size or anything like that, but we don't. And we can't even buy it, so that's the good thing. Right, so yeah, tomorrow we'll come back and continue this lovely course suite. I will finish with the top and add more tubes there, and yeah, this will be another one for the back flow, and I will need another one for the inhaler. So I will put these somewhere here. I can put this here. Put this here. Right. Put the larger back in space. Good idea. Oh. Power. Back. All right. All right. I got everything done. I mean, not everything done, but like most of the stuff done. Well, turn this shit off for now. Yeah. All right. What's up, man? I'm leaving the stream right now. Tuning out. I have reached till the point of no return. made the thing slow. I mean, what I wanted it almost done completely. I mean, what I wanted, I did. We'll have to add the top with the rim as well. So yeah, that will be okay. Tomorrow. Yeah, another 2 hours of work and then we will be Gucci. So I think this is it. So yeah, finishing to the artwork, especially when you don't feel like it.